Friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It is the Let's Get Her Done collab. Our host is a Prathard Light. Please check out our channel and the playlist. Today, it's not me getting it done. I'm not getting it done today. It's my husband getting it done. He will be cleaning and decorating the fireplace for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy, and it's a little bit different. It's not Melissa decorating this time. It's Thad. Enjoy. Okay, Thad's going to work on decorating our mantle for Valentine's Day. We just took down Christmas, and he said it was pretty plain, so I said, okay, I'm going to let you decorate for Valentine's Day this year. He's wiping down all the glitter. There's not much glitter up there, is there, honey?
No, it's a lot of dust.
Dust? Okay. Normally, for me, it's glitter. Here. Here.
I know, but there's a little glitter.
Yeah, I always have a ton of glitter.
We're not putting a runner or anything.
No. Then you can pick anything off the table that's Valentine's Day to go on there that you think's cute.
I'm not sure. We'll just have to put it by here.
Those go on the tree.
Oh, I thought we could put them in there. And I guess, I don't know, we'll have to figure that out.
That's
What's these for?
whatever you want them for.
That's Eileen. Yeah. I don't know. These are kind of like those edible things.
Yeah, confection hearts.
I don't know if I should leave that alone. Well, or leave that. We can't block too much.
We have this too, then.
Oh, I could put it with this tape.
Oh, your Thad, there's a banner hanging off of it.
Oh, that don't go there.
That goes across the mantle. That you can do it across the mantle. Okay, here is his mantle. First mantle done, and here is his mantle for Valentine's Day this year. We got to get some little candles in our candle holders, and that'll be it. I think it turned out he did a really cute job.